Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price, because you're going to clearly see, guys, it's happening exactly as I predicted yesterday. I told you that we're going to see today a big pump to the upside, and I gave you guys two reasons for this pump. The first reason was this double bottom, which right now, the time that we are speaking, is going to break this most significant resistance of this pattern, which is the base of $27,800, and right now it's breaking. And you're going to see, guys, a confirmation on this breakout. We're gonna get straight into the technical price target. And yesterday, guys, I gave you two reasons that I was believing that from the $27,300 we're gonna see a pump to the upside, while the rest of YouTubers was talking about a further big dump. I was spoke about a pump, and the reason of that, it was because of this double bottom, and for the Dixie, because we were moving into the downside. We had this big red candle where it was moving into the downside, and I told you that because of those two, we're gonna see today a pump to the upside. And right now, especially if we're gonna break this resistance of this double bottom, and also, as you can clearly see in the 1 hour time frame, we're gonna confirm this insane breakout, we're gonna get straight into the technical price target, which is gonna be above $28,000, exactly as I told you in my title and also in my video yesterday. So if you would like to know exactly where we're gonna get from this position that we are standing right now, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to tell you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment or trading. And guys, I would like to show you here my Patreon channel, because here is where I'm sending you my buy signals, sell signals, stake signals. You're gonna see, you're gonna have access to my portfolio, and also you're gonna have access to my strategies that I followed in the previous bull run, and also I'm following right now, and made me crazy wealth. On this pattern, guys, you're gonna see that I'm investing in low cap gems with massive potential for 100x, 500x, even 1000x. Low cap gems with which you have never ever heard about, and these have lots of space to do massive X from your initial investment. And the reason of that is because they're solving big problems that already exist on the blockchain. One of those coins is actually the Zen Crypto, and right now, on Zen Crypto, guys, before a couple days, we saw a 12x, and this crypto was in my portfolio since the price of 0.00077 cents, and it had an all-time high at 0.00099 with 1 0 less. So it did a 12x, and we took 2 times out our initial investment. And right now I'm holding personally a big bag of Zen Crypto almost for free. It's not almost, it's for free, because I took out my initial investment and some more. And guys, this crypto can go easy into a 5 billion markup since the time that we are speaking. So you can understand that this coin is not, if it's gonna get at 5 billion, for me personally, I'm gonna do 1000x. Okay, because I'm investing that from very low market cap, and I have lots of low cap gems like Zen Crypto. So if you are interested for those, you should join into my membership. Only for the first 50 people this price. Subsequently, the price is going to be higher, because the quality that I provide on this group is hours and hours of research, and you won't have to do all this kind of hours of research to actually find very great projects. I'm doing that for you. And let's get back to analysis, because here the thing is converting into really interesting, because Bitcoin is spamming the time that I'm making this video. Guys, you can clearly see that Bitcoin right now is standing at $27,870, and it's breaking in front of us this massive baseline of this double bottom. And you're gonna ask me, Chris, if this is gonna break, where we gonna see the Bitcoin price? I'm gonna give you immediately the technical price target. Guys, obviously we will need to see a confirmation of this breakout, and also surpass the $28,000. If this scenario is gonna play out, then we're gonna get inevitably straight to $28,600. And if this scenario is gonna happen, we probably gonna see a reversal to the wall, to this current situation, which is bearish. Okay, this was a bearish situation. and I was only one of a few guys that was calling this pump to the upside. Most of the YouTubers right now was calling you that this is a bear flag and gonna get straight into a lower price, which is this $25,000 area. Which was also a very possible scenario, but yesterday, guys, I told you because of this double bottom and the Dixie, which was decreasing, that I was expecting a pump to the upside, and if we're gonna also break the resistance of this double bottom, we're gonna get straight above $28,000. And not only that, today we formed this symmetrical triangle, and you can clearly see that before an hour, actually before a couple minutes, we broke also this symmetrical triangle to the upside. So we're gonna see a confirmation, and we're gonna close in 48 minutes this 1 hour candle above this resistance, which was the resistance of $27,600. Guys, we're gonna get straight also into this technical price target, and on this smaller time frame, 1 hour time frame, I believe we're gonna get almost straight if we're gonna see a confirmation of a breakout on the area of $28,000. And I'm gonna speak with precisely numbers. Let me actually implement the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle, and you're gonna clearly see that this is exactly the area of $28,350, the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle. To get there, we will need to see a breakout of the $28,000, and we're gonna get straight into this technical price target almost instantly. Okay, for the 4 hour time frame, it's going to be harder to reach the $28,700, which is this orange line. Probably we will need a couple time to get there, probably a day or 2 days, because the most crucial part is to close above $28,000, the daily candle. And if we're gonna get, guys, on this chart, most of you already know this chart because I was showing you a lot back in the days where we had here a massive consolidation phase. And if you remember, the same parameters, the same protocols are operating here too. So we will need to close the daily candle above this $28,000, and if this scenario is gonna play out and gonna see, from for example, the tomorrow candle above the $28,000, we can potentially see another massive pump above, another massive pump straight to $29,350. So let's see, guys, what's about to happen. Right now Bitcoin is pumping like crazy. For this chart, I'm gonna tell you again that I remain neutral, because I have been telling you, I have told you hundreds of times that the most crucial resistance and support for the Bitcoin, for me to make me to take a direction, is actually to break either to this massive $30,500 resistance line, which is this yellow line, or otherwise to break to the downside and break the $25,200. And if we're gonna break this one, I'm gonna be bearish. If we're gonna break this yellow line, I'm gonna be bullish. Okay, the Dixie right now, guys, is pumping to the upside, and it's moving exactly in the same path with the Bitcoin, but this is absolutely nothing. If Bitcoin is gonna show big strength and it's gonna continue this kind of pump, probably tomorrow Dixie can move into the downside, because guys, the SP500 today, it moved to the downside, and we have seen in the past the time that the SP500 experienced big drop, we saw an insane pump for the Bitcoin from $20,000 over 25, 26, $7,000, which the outcome of this insane massive pump, it pumped the Bitcoin price above $30,000. And I'm talking for this specific pump that happened and made me change from super bearish into neutral. Okay, and if you remember, that happened because the banks collapsed, everything was collapsing, SP500 was collapsing, but Bitcoin pumped to the upside. Okay, and this was the adoption that I was calling you for many weeks, that this is very strong movement, historical speaking movement for the Bitcoin price, that you should not neglect. Okay, you should not ignore, guys, this massive move that happened here, because if we're going to see furthermore bad into our economy, we can see a potentially more pump to the Bitcoin price to the upside. Okay, while for example the SP500 gonna cross Bitcoin can pump, because we saw that previously. Okay, we saw adoption. People will distrust the bank system, the governments, and will start investing in crypto. Okay, and this is what we would like to see. We would like to see, actually, while everything getting into a recession or collapsing, Bitcoin into crazy rally. Obviously, it's not going to happen a bull run, but we're going to see Bitcoin in higher levels. It's going to be still bear market, okay, but in a higher levels. This is what I would like to tell you guys. Let's see how we're gonna react on those two very crucial last hours of this day. If we wanna close above $28,000, it's gonna be very bullish. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm very happy because yesterday I predict you this kind of insane pump that's happening right now, and I'm gonna see you guys all in my next video. If you have any questions, drop it down below in the comment section, and do not forget to check my Patreon, because trust me, when Bitcoin is gonna get at $40,000, $50,000, you're gonna be big gains, and I'm gonna show you how many X's I'm gonna have in my portfolio, and you're gonna have lost many entries if you don't enter now. Okay guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Until then guys, your boy Chris out. Bye.